What's going on, folks? This is Wayman here, coming at you with another video of Sony ZV-E 10. This one is about choosing the right picture profile for your YouTube or client work. So to test that out, I decided to come out here in Mobile, Alabama and switch all the picture profiles and try to see what's the best one. Alright folks, this is all the picture profiles on the Sony ZV-E 10. Most of my defaults, any four I put in. Appreciate you watching. Please comment down and tell me which one you think is the best. Just wait a minute and I'm out.